guys, we are you, me and friend. Hello friends, welcome to my channel, You, Me and Friend, with me, Trupti. So today we are going to learn wild animals, les animaux sauvages. So are you ready? Let's start. We will start with elephant. Elephant, un éléphant. Un éléphant. Un éléphant. Just concentrate on the spelling and on the screen. Second one is a gorilla, a big animal. A gorilla is a gorille. A gorille. It's not gorille, it's a gorille. A gorille. The third one, a giraffe, a tallest animal. A giraffe is a giraffe. A giraffe. A giraffe. Then the next one, zebra. Zebra, it's a zebra. A zebra. A zebra. Then a monkey. A monkey is a singe. A singe. A singe. Okay. The next one is a kangaroo. Kangaroo is a kangourou. Just concentrate on the pronunciation. A kangourou. Kangourou. A kangaroo. Then a tiger. A tiger is a tigre. A tigre. A tigre. The next one is a lion. It's a lion. It's a leon. A leon. A leon. A leon. Then a fastest animal is leopard. Leopard is a leopard. A leopard. A leopard. Though D is an ending of the spelling, but we will not pronounce D. It will be a leopard. So that's it for today. I have taken 10 animals. We will take more animals in next video. Just practice these animals. Whenever you will see like a monkey, just see a singe, a tiger, a tigre. And I think this topic is easy because the spelling, the English word and the French word are somehow same. So you just need to a little bit practice of spelling and pronunciation, and I trust you will do. Whatever will be the problem you are facing or any confusion, just comment it down. Subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon and hit the like button. That's it for me. That's it for today. I will meet you so soon to you. Just take care of yourself. Bye bye. Au revoir. Bisous bisous.